wish that my daughter will be successful, will grow successful and healthy, and will be good as my wife, caring as my wife, and loving as my wife.
In the backseat, boys from the back street, come so far just singing over rap beats. See you on the way up, only looking down when we're seeing where we came from. You ain't gotta wait.
Dito sa akika na to, dito bibigyan ng napakagandang pangalan ang sanggol. Ito ay isa sa mga obligasyon ng magulang sa kanyang anak.
This life, yeah, feels alright. And there's no reason to stop believing. Cause I love this life, and the future's bright. And there's no reason to fight this feeling. Yeah, I love this life. Yeah, I love this life. Yeah, I love this life. Yeah, I love this life.
I really wish that you grow up surrounded by love and laughter and the guidance of your loving parents, your nourishing community.
The truth is told, feels like letting go. 'Cause I love this life. Yeah,
I know that this baby will bring joy to the couple.
stop believing. 'Cause I love this life.
The parents of the Sullivan Police Lieutenant Colonel Bernard Apontong Francia, Junior MPA, PhD, together with the mother of the Sullivan, Shahida Salaik Baganian Francia, and Bershame Babygo Baganian Francia.
Bernard sometimes keep on telling us stories about Bercia. Yung sabi niya, it's more than 10 years in the making.
Yeah, love this life. 'Cause I love this life.
Sa 10 taon na naghintay po kami, binigyan po kami ni Allah ng napakaganda naming anak na nagngangalang Bercia May. Baka nagtataka po kayo bakit Bercia May. Ang Bernard, ang Shahida. Bakit may May? Ang May po is yung buwan na nakilala ko po ang pinakamamahal kong asawa na nagbigay sa akin ang pinakamaganda kong anak.
Yeah, love this life. Yeah, love this life. Yeah, love this life.